GPT-4 versus ChatGPT 3.5. What is the comparison between ChatGPT-4, the latest version, versus ChatGPT 3.5? Let's delve into discussing the latest AI. GPT-4 is 10 times more sophisticated than ChatGPT 3.5, its predecessor. This enhancement in ChatGPT 4 enables the model to recognize certainties and learn content more thoroughly, resulting in replies that are more accurate and consistent. So, what makes ChatGPT 4 different? In terms of language expertise, while ChatGPT 3.5 can create language that appears to be by a person, ChatGPT 4 is even more adept at comprehending and producing different local languages as well as resolving the emotions of the text. For instance, GPT-4 can detect sorrow and annoyance shown by the user and respond with empathy, making the conversation feel more intimate. One of GPT's most amazing abilities is to work with local languages based on culture and geography. Next, we talk about data organization. ChatGPT 4 can combine data from several sources to make sense of complicated topics, whereas ChatGPT 3.5 could have trouble making connections. Unlike 3.5, GPT-4 now has a function that enables it to correctly cite sources while writing text. For example, when asked about the relationship between the fall in bee population and the impact of world agriculture, GPT-4 can respond with more detail by referring to several researches and sources. Moving on to consistency. While GPT 3.5 can produce creative content, GPT-4 focuses one step further by producing stories, poetry, and essays with enhanced consistency. For instance, whereas ChatGPT 3.5 may struggle to maintain narrative and consistency, GPT-4 is able to write short stories with a strong storyline and character development. When it comes to complicated problem solving, GPT-4 shows a strong ability to solve difficult scientific and mathematical problems, going beyond the capabilities of GPT 3.5. For example, GPT-4 outperforms GPT 3.5 in the simulation of chemical reactions and the resolution of challenging calculus problems. It can perform a wide range of mathematical operations, including calculus, algebra, geometry, as well as subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, and astronomy. These are the scientific disciplines for which ChatGPT 4 is tailor-made thanks to its sophisticated processing capacity and language modeling abilities. It can quickly analyze complex scientific writings and offer insights and explanations. Lastly, when we talk about understanding images and graphics, GPT-4 can analyze and remark on graphics and images as opposed to GPT 3.5, which mostly concentrates on text. For example, it can define the substance of an aperture and spot trends in a graph and even create captions for a picture. For this reason, GPT-4 is an effective tool for education and content development. Additionally, GPT-4 has a maximum token limit of 32,000 words, which is much more than GPT 3.5's 4,000 tokens or equivalent 3,125 words. So these are quite the benefits of GPT-4 over GPT 3.5. Let's talk about how to install ChatGPT 4.